Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the SWIFT code of Philippine National Bank. First, let's quick understand what a SWIFT code is. A SWIFT code is a special code used for international money transfer. If someone is sending money to Philippine National Bank account from the another country, they will need this code. The easiest way to find the official website of Philippine Bank. For that, open the Safari or any browser on your phone. In the search bar, search for Philippine National Bank Swift code. Open the official PNB Bank website. Look for international banking or contact us. You will usually find the Swift code listed there, or you can find in Google too. You can also find the Swift code on your bank statements, your passbook, or official bank emails. Look for the section called SWIFT, BIC, or Bank Information Code. If you are not sure, you can visit your nearest PNB bank or call PNB customer. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.